Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this triangle planter with succulents using a DIY kit from Succulent Gardens. I'll have links for the kit in the description below. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start by just taking each of these out of their little container and breaking off the soil. So we do need a little bit of soil in there. So you can go ahead and just put a tiny bit of that in. This way the roots will be all broken up so the plants will root well in here, and I'll be able to get in just the right amount of soil. Not too much, not too little. Okay, I'm gonna just set that one right there. So you'll notice I'm making sure that the leaves, oops, that one is not. I'm gonna make sure the leaves are all above the rim of the planter. Okay, and get those in there. And these will just sit right inside. And then if you have a brush, you can also just brush all the dirt off. And then we're gonna add in the moss. So I'm just gonna break it into a few little pieces, and I'm just gonna stick it right under the succulents and kind of push down, again using that chopstick. And you can add more moss to the outside if you want, but these you can see they're stuck in there pretty good. And I like the moss, but I kind of prefer just the natural look. And kind of adjust these a little bit, so a little more centered. All right, and there you go. So that is how you'd fill the triangle planter.